My name is Manu and I am from class 8 of Government Girls Islamic High School, Daya. The topic on which we are going to present a model is eclipse.
Every month the moon comes between the earth and the sun, but an eclipse does not occur in every month. This is because the moon's orbit is straight. However, the eclipses occur about twice a year. Therefore, we have created this model so that we can explain eclipses to you.
So, what is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when one object's space blocks the light from another. There are two types of eclipse seen from Earth: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse.
Very good, excellent.
Solar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. The moon blocks the sunlight and casts a shadow on the earth. It happens during the new moon.
Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse happens when the moon comes between the earth and the sun. The earth's shadow falls on the moon, making it look dark or reddish. It happens during a full moon. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you.